Hello everyone, welcome to Blackfish Marine. Today we're featuring our new listing, Double Diamond, the 2006 Tiara Yachts 3900 convertible. The sleek hull design and timeless Tiara styling ensure exceptional stability and a smooth ride in all conditions. The large cockpit provides ample space for fishing, entertaining, or relaxing, complete with flush-mounted rod holders, tackle storage, and an easy-access transom door leading to the swim platform. Up top, the flybridge offers commanding views and features a fully equipped helm with modern electronics, comfortable seating for guests, and an enclosed hardtop for added protection. Step inside the beautifully appointed salon, where large windows bring in natural light, and plush seating provides the perfect space for relaxing or entertaining. The well-equipped galley features a refrigerator, stove, microwave, and ample storage, ensuring you have everything you need for extended trips. The spacious master stateroom boasts a comfortable queen-sized bed, while the guest cabin offers twin bunks, perfect for family or friends. A fully enclosed head with a shower ensures convenience for long adventures. Powered by twin diesel engines, the Tiara 3900 convertible delivers impressive speed, exceptional handling, and remarkable fuel efficiency, whether you're cruising to a new destination or chasing the big catch. Ready to experience the ultimate yachting lifestyle? Call us today to book your private viewing at Granville Island, Vancouver, BC.